Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Yoruba religion followers believe in the concept of reincarnation, but in a bit different from the meaning of reincarnation you all know of. According to the definition of reincarnation in the dictionary, reincarnation is the rebirth of a soul in another body. In this video, I will be discussing with you about the belief of Yorubas, which is called Akudaya. Akudaya simply means the situation whereby the dead live again. Yes, when the dead live again. This situation has been proved several times in Yoruba land. To explain further, Akudaya victim died, then go somewhere else to start a new family and a new life. This sounds strange, right? In Yoruba land, there have been stories of people who have encountered a loved one that has been dead and buried, while in another place living like a normal person, like a normal human being. But there is something crucial here. They usually go very far away from their initial location to a new location where no one knows they have died. So what if Akudaya suddenly sees someone they know or know them? In this case, they disappear. Take for instance, when an Akudaya marries somewhere else and starts a new life and having children in his or her new location, and eventually the wife or vice versa got to know he or she had died somewhere. When the Akudaya discovers his or her secret has been revealed, then he or she disappears, possibly to another new location again, leaving his or her new entire family. Thanks for watching.